this is the last group E. It is of 30 marks. এখানেও 5টা কোয়েশ্চেন দেওয়া আছে, যে কোনো 3টে করতে হবে। ওকে,
Question number 11a. Prove that 3 divides 10 to the power n plus 10 to the power n minus 1 plus 1 for all natural numbers n greater than equal to 1. Okay. We will solve this problem by mathematical induction. So let Pn is equals to 10 to the power n plus 10 to the power n minus 1 plus 1. For n is equals to 1, P1 is equals to n এর জায়গা 1 বসিয়ে দাও, it will be 10 to the power 1 plus 10 to the power 1 minus 1 plus 1. This is equals to 10 plus 10 to the power 1 minus 1 means 10 to the power 0. So something to the power 0 means 1 plus 1. This is equals to 12 divisible by 3. Okay. For n is equals to 2, P2 is equals to 10 to the power 2 plus 10 to the power 2 minus 1 plus 1. This is equals to 10 square means 100 plus 10 to the power 2 minus 1 means 10 to the power 1, that is 10 plus 1. This is equals to 111 divisible by 3. So Pn is true for n is equals to 1, n is equals to 1 and n is equals to 2. Okay. Let Pn is true for n is equals to k. So Pk is equals to ten to the power k plus 10 to the power k minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Now Pk plus 1 is equals to 10 to the power k plus 1 plus 10 to the power k plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. This is equals to 10 to the power k into 10 plus k plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. এখানে আমরা পাবো 10 to the power k plus 1. Okay. So this will be equal to 10 okay. So pk plus 1 minus pk is equals to 10 to the power 10 to the power k into 10 plus 10 to the power k plus 1 minus pk means 10 to the power k minus 10 to the power k minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Yeah. So pk plus 1 minus pk is equal to, oh, it's gone. So pk plus 1 minus pk is equals to, you can write 10 to the power k into 10 plus 10 to the power k plus 1 minus pk. Pk means we know what? That is 10 to the power k minus 10 to the power k minus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel out. 10 to the power k minus 10 to the power k cancel. So we got it here 10 to the power k into 10 minus 10 to the power k minus 1. We are taking common 10 to the power k. 10 minus, এখানে 10 to the power minus 1 means 1 upon 10 to the power 1. Okay. So this is equals to 10 to the power k into 100 minus 1 by 10. Okay. This is equals to 10 to the power k into 99 divided by 99 divided by 10. Okay. So this is divisible by 3. So pk is divisible by 3 and pk plus 1 is also divisible by 3. So by mathematical induction, Pn is true for all n greater than equals to 1. So 10 to the power n plus 10 to the power n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 3 for all n greater than equals to 1. Proved. Okay? See. Okay. Question number 11b. If D divides A and D divides C, where ACD are positive integers, then prove that GCD of A by D, C by D equal to 1 upon D into GCD of AC. Okay? So, how to solve this? Okay, if D divides A, that means A is divisible by D. So, we can write here, since D divides A, so there exists an integer so there exists an integer k1 such that A is equals to k1d. Okay, this implies k1 is equals to A by D. Okay, again D divides C, so there exists another integer k2 such that C is equals to k2d. This implies k2 is equals to C by D. Okay, this is number 1, this is number 2. Okay, this was given. Now we are going to find GCD of AC. Now GCD of AC is equals to GCD of A is equals to K1D, we know, and C is equals to K2D. Put here. Now GCD of K1D comma K2D. So D is common in this, and a theorem is also there. If this D is common in both, then it will come outside. So it will be D into GCD of K1 comma K2. Okay, this is equals to D into GCD of, we know from 1 and 2, K1 is equals to A by D and K2 is equals to C by D, we can write. So I'm just writing this K1 as A by D and K2 as C by D. Okay, understood? Now this implies 1 upon D GCD of AC is equals to GCD of A by D comma C by D. Look, we have to prove this. Okay, hence GCD of A by D comma C by D is equals to 1 upon D into GCD of AC proved. Okay, very easy. Okay, question number 12a. If n is a positive integer such that n cube plus 1 is a prime number, then prove that n is equals to 1. Okay, so we know n cube plus 1 is equals to n plus 1 into n square minus n plus 1. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube, right? Since n cube plus 1 is a prime number, okay, so either n plus 1 is equals to 1 or n square minus n plus 1 is equals to 1. Since n plus 1 not equal to 1, okay, so n square minus n plus 1 is equals to 1. Okay, this implies n square minus n is equals to 0 plus 1 cancel out. This implies n into n minus 1 is equals to 0. Since n not equal to 0, so n minus 1 is equals to 0. This implies n is equals to 1. Proved. Okay. Question number 12b. Solve the following system of congruences. X congruent to under mod 3, x congruent 3 under mod 4, x congruent 4 under mod 5. Okay, so basically এখানে আমাদের x এর ভ্যালু বের করতে হবে. Okay, unique solution for this all three system of congruences. কিভাবে সলভ করব? We are going to use here Chinese remainder theorem. Chinese remainder theorem. Okay, so x0 is equals to ai bi into ni. Okay, and ni is equals to capital Mi by m. Okay, so I am going to not explain the whole theorem but just a little bit. ai, what is ai over here? This 2 3 4, these are ai. Okay, bi means the solution, not unique solution, I will say solution that we will get is bi. I will tell যখন সলভ করব বলে দেব. ওকে, ni means mi by m. mi হচ্ছে mi means multiplication of all this mod, that is 3 4 5 here. Okay, and m means mod 3, mod 4, mod 5, like this. Okay, so let's start. Let m is equals to, ধরে নিচ্ছি 3 into 4 into 5, that is this one. Okay, so this is m. Okay, and next we are going to find out mi by m. So m divided by small m into x is congruent 1 under mod 3. Okay, so m means what? 3 into 4 into 5, and this small m, that is 3 over here. So we can write here 3 into 4 into 5 divided by 3 into x is congruent to 1. Okay, so this 3 cancels out. This implies 20 into x is congruent to 1 under mod 3. Understood? So this 20, what is this 20? This 20 is nothing but ni. Yeah. What is this? Okay. This is ni. Okay. So understood what is m, what is n, I. Similarly, for all these two, for this equation and this equation, means congruence, we can find out ni. So for the second one, we can write capital M by 4 into x is congruent to 1 under mod 4. Okay, so this will implies 3 into 4 into 5 divided by 4x is congruent to 1. This implies 15x congruent to 1 under mod 4. Okay, again for the third one, m by 5 into x is congruent to 1 under mod 5. Okay, so it will become what? 3 into 4 into 5 divided by 5 into x is congruent to 1 under mod 5. Okay, so this implies 12x is congruent to 1 under mod 5. Okay, so here ni টা কি দেখো, ni হচ্ছে 20, 15 and then 12. Okay, understood? And what is ai over here? 2, 3, 4. So we can write ai means here is 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is a1, a2, a3. ni, ai we got. We have to find out bi. How do we find bi? Okay, from these equations. Okay, from these equations we are going to find out bi. Changing the color for consequent. Okay, so here 20x is congruent to 1. Now we are going to use the remainder theorem over here. Again, congruence operation, you can say 20x is congruent to 1 under mod 3. Okay, so we can write this as, we are going to divide it by 3. When we divide 20 by 3, it will 3 6 18, and we will get 2 remainders. So we can write here 18 plus 2 into x is congruent to 1 under mod 3. Okay, so this implies 2x is congruent to 1 under mod 3. Okay, why? Because 3 is 18x, it will be 0 remainder, completely divisible. Now 2x is congruent to 1 under mod 3. From here we will find bi. How? What will be the value of 2 so that এখানে x এর জায়গায় এমন একটা ভ্যালু বসাবো যেটা দিয়ে গুণ করার পর সেটাকে যদি 3 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করা হয় রিমাইন্ডার 1 আসবে। ভেরি ইজি। This implies x is equals to 2. Look, if you will put x is equals to 2, 2 2s are 4, and when 4 is divided by 3, we will get a remainder 1. Right? Okay? So, this is what bi. We will get another bi also. Okay, these are nice. For this one, 15x is equals to congruent 1 under mod 4. So what we will get here? We are going to divide it. 4 3s are 12, so we can write 12 plus 3 into x is congruent to 1 under mod 4. Okay, so this implies 3x is congruent to 1 under mod 4. So what will be the value of x? Value of x will be, if we put x is equals to 3, so 3 3s are 9, and when 9 will divided by 4, it will give a remainder 1. 4 2s are 8, remainder is 1. For this equation, 12x congruent 1 under mod 5, we can write it as 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 into x is congruent to 1 under mod 5. This implies 2x is congruent to 1 under mod 5. This implies x is equals to what? If we put x is equals to 3, 3 2 just 6, and when 6 will be divided by 5, it will give a remainder 1. So we got bi over here. Bi is 2 3 3 successively. Okay, so we got all these. X0 is equals to ai, bi, ni. Okay, so x0 is equals to ai into bi into ni. How we will write it? As a summation of this. Okay, that means a1 b1 n1, a1 b1 n1 plus a2 b2 n2 plus A3, B3, N3. We have these three values. We know A1, A2, A3, that is 2, 3, 4. So we will take 2 into 3 into 4. For B1, B2, B3, we have 2, 3, 3, that is 2, B1 is 2, B2 is 3, and B3 is also 3. N1, N2, N3, we got 20, 15, 20, 12. So it is 20, 15, 12. Okay, this is equals to 2 to the 4, 4, 20, 80. 3, 3 is a 9, 15 into 9, 135, plus 12 into 12, 144. So just sum it up. 5, 4, 9, 7, 8, 15, 2, 3, 3, 59. Okay. So, unique solution of the given system of congruences is given by x is congruent to 359 under mod 3 into 4 into 5. That is, x is congruent to 359 under mod 3 4 is 12, 12 5 is 60. So this will become x is congruent to 6 6 is 36, that is 360. So x is congruent to minus 1 under mod 60. This is our answer. Okay. How we have written this? 6 6 is 36, that is 360. So it will be give a minus 1, right? Okay, understood? Okay. Question number 13a. Using Fermat's little theorem, find the remainder when 2 to the power 18 plus 9 to the power 18 is divided by 17. Okay. Here 2 and 9 both are prime to 17. So by Fermat's theorem, we can write 2 to the power 16 minus 1 is congruent to 0 under mod 17. Okay. And also 9 to the power 16 minus 1 is congruent to 0 under mod 17. Okay. Okay. Now I am giving it equation number 1 and this as a question number 2. Okay, so from 1 to the power 16 is congruent to 1 under mod 17. Okay, this implies 2 to the power 16 into 4 is congruent to 1 into 4 under mod 17. Just multiplying both sides by 4. Okay, so 2 to the power 16 into 4 means 2 square is congruent to 1 4 is 4 under mod 17. Okay, this implies 2 to the power 16 plus 2, that is 2 to the power 18 is congruent to 4 under mod 17. Yeah, under mod 17. Okay, so we are going to give it as 1 dash. Now from 2. Now from 2. We can write 9 to the power 16 is congruent to 1 under mod 17. Okay, so 9 to the power 16 into 9 is congruent to 1 into 9 under mod 17. Okay, so this implies 9 to the power 17 is congruent to 9 under mod 17. Again, this implies 9 to the power 17 into 9 is congruent to 9 into 9 under mod 17. Okay, so it becomes 9 to the power 18, 17 plus 1 is congruent to 9 9 81 under mod 17. Okay, so we can write 9 to the power 18 is congruent to, so 81, if we are dividing 81 by 17, so it will 17 4 68. So minus, it will be 13. This congruent to 13 under mod 17, as the remainder is 13. This is 2 dash. Okay, now we are going to adding 1 dash and 2 dash. What will we get? 2 to the power 18 plus 9 to the power 18 is congruent to 4 plus 13 under mod 17. Okay, so this is congruent to 17 under mod 17, and 17 1 is 17, it is divisible, so the remainder will be 0. That means 2 to the power 18 plus 9 to the power 18 congruent 0 under mod 17. Okay, hence 2 to the power 18 plus 9 to the power 18 is divisible by 17 as the remainder is 0. Proved. Okay, just see. Okay, we have to find the remainder when this is divisible by 17. Hence, this is divisible by 17. Not proved. Yeah. So, the remainder is 0. This is our answer. Okay. Very interesting. Yeah. Question number 13b. Is this a correct UPC for the same product? Here is given a 13-digit number. देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 13 ডিজিটের একটা নাম্বার দেওয়া আছে এটা কারেক্ট ইউপিসি কিনা ফর দ্য সেম প্রোডাক্ট উই হ্যাভ টু চেক ইট কিভাবে চেক করব ওকে ইউপিসি means হয় universal product code. Okay, what is UPC? Universal product code 890. This represents it's a Indian product. Okay, every country has these digits, different digit numbers to represent the product of their country. Okay, তো এটা ইন্ডিয়ার একটা প্রোডাক্ট ওকে তো যখন it's more like a barcode. Okay, whenever you buy something from a shopping mall or online, you see the cashier scan the barcode. Okay, number product number like this, and they retrieve what is the amount price of the product. Okay, and make the bills. Okay, so how to solve this problem? Okay, for this we have to check it is a correct UPC or not. There is a method. We have counted it is a 13-digit number, so we have to take alternately 1 3 up to 13. Suppose 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 9 10 11 12 13. Stop. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. It's a 13-digit number. This into here I am going to write this number just below this 8 comma 9 comma 0 1 comma 0 comma 3 comma 0 1 comma 1 comma 4 comma 5 comma 1 comma 9. You have to write it in this way, otherwise you will make a mistake. Okay, you will just understand why I have written like this. So we have to just multiply each digit, like 1 into 8 8 plus 3 into 9 27 plus 1 into 0 0 plus 3 into 1 3 1 into 0 0 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 into 0 0 plus 3 1s are 3 plus 1 1 ja 1 plus 4 3 ja 12 plus 5 1 ja 6 plus 3 1 ja, no, 5 1 ja not 6. I just added it. Okay. 3 4 ja 12, 5 1 ja 5 plus 3 1 ja 3 plus 9 1 ja 9. Now we have to add all these numbers. Okay. So we can simplify it. 27 plus 3 30 plus 8 38 plus 9 3 is 12 13 13 plus 12 25 plus 5 3 is 8 8 plus 9 17, which is 8 7 15 20 0 2 3 to the 5 6 7 8 80. Okay, this is congruent to 0 under mod 10. Okay, so if the remainder is 0 under mod 10, so it's a correct UPC. So we can say the given digit is a correct UPC for the same product. For the same product. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, if this is not equal to 0, then it is not a correct UPC. Okay, for more details you have to study the book and all about UPC. Okay, 14A. Find a round robin tournament schedule for 6 teams. Round robin tournament key. Okay, round robin tournament is a tournament যেখানে suppose n খানা টিম আছে, প্রতিটা টিমের সাথে খেলবে exactly once, মানে one time, একটা রাউন্ডে একবার খেলা হবে. Okay, and what we have to do here, we have to make a schedule for 6 teams. So আমাদের এখানে দেওয়া আছে teams কত 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 teams are there, so round কটা হবে খেলার 6 rounds, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, there will be 6 rounds. So how we will select the কি করে আমরা সিলেক্ট করব যে কোন টিমের সাথে খেলবে. Okay, for that we are taking the congruent, like the team ith will play against the jth team. Okay, in kth round. I team j টিমের সাথে খেলবে in kth round if I plus j is congruent k under mod 6. Okay, since there are 6 teams, তাই জন্য mod 6 আর I plus j মানে ith team jth team এর সাথে প্লে করবে in kth round. Suppose for k is equals to 1. For k is equals to 1, that is first round. Okay, so first round এ কি হবে, এখানে আমরা লিখবো এটা হচ্ছে round 1, round 1 under mod 6. Okay, so we will choose the team গুলো choose করো. Okay, so we can take suppose 6 plus 1 7 under mod 6 first team হয়ে যাবে, ঠিক তো? 6 plus 1 7, so under mod 6 it will give a remainder 1, মানে first round এ এটা হবে. Okay, we can also take another combination of 7 like 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 is also 7, so it will also work here under mod 6 first round. And 3 plus 4 is congruent 1 under mod 6. Okay, so we have taken all the team 1 2 3 4 5 6. What does it mean? This means sixth team will play with first team. Okay, sixth team will play with first team in first round. Second team will play with fifth team in first round, and third team will play with fourth team against fourth team in first round. This is the schedule for first round. Okay, we will make the chart after completing all the rounds. So now we have to check for the second round what will be the schedule. For k is equals to 2, that means second round. Second round, it will be congruent to under mod 6. Okay, so choose the teams. Team gulo choose karo. So we can take 1 plus 1. First team will play with first team in second round. Okay, 1 plus 1 2. Of course it will give a bye, because we have already told that round robin tournaments means each team will play with each team exactly one against another team only once. So first team cannot play with first team, right? So it will give a bye. When we will make the chart, we will make it. Okay, now first is gone. We can take 2 plus 6, that is 8. It will under mod 6 remainder 2 for k is equals to 2. Okay, again for k is equals to 2, we can take 4 plus 4, that is 8. Under mod 6 it will give 2, so second round. Okay, 3 plus 5, that is 8. It will also give 2 when under mod 6, so in second round. Okay, this is the schedule for second round. Now for k is equals to 3, yeah, for k is equals to 3, That means third round. We can take 1 plus 2 is congruent to 3 under mod 6. Okay, remember it. For first round, all we have taken 1. For second round, we have taken 2. For the third round, we will take 3. Okay, under mod 6. So 1 plus 2 is equals to 3 under mod 6. Okay. We can take first team, second team. 3 plus 6. That is 9 under mod 6, 3. 4 plus 5. That is also 9. It will also give 3 under mod 6. Okay. Okay. So it's done. For k is equals to, because all the team we have used over here. For k is equals to 4. That means fourth round schedule. What it will be? For k is equals to 4, we can write 3 plus 1 is equals to congruent 4 under mod 6. Okay. Here, third team will play with first team in fourth round. Addition is also working over here. Okay. Now, 2 plus 2 congruent 4 under mod 6. Okay. Now 6 plus 4, that is 10. It will also give 4 under mod 6. Okay. So we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 5 is not here. So 5 plus 5 is congruent to 4 under mod 6. 5 plus 5, 10. Under mod 6, it will give 4. So now we are going to make it for k is equals to 5. Means fifth round. Okay. For fifth round, we can take 4 or 1 plus 4 congruent 5 under mod 6. Okay. 2 plus 3 congruent 5 under mod 6. And 6 plus 5, that is 11. Under mod 6, it will also give 5. We can write over here. We have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the team has been taken. So it's okay. Now we will go for k is equals to 6. That is sixth round. And this is the last round. Okay. For sixth round, what we can write? For sixth round, we can write 3 plus 3 is congruent to 6 under mod 6. Okay. Now 5 plus 1 congruent to 6 under mod 6. Here we are taking the plus third team, 5, fifth team, first team will play in sixth round. Okay, 1, 3, 5. 2, 4, 6 is not here. Okay. 2 plus 4 is congruent to 6 under mod 6. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is not here. 6 plus 6 is equals to 12 in 6th round under mod 6. Okay. So we have calculated for each round from first round to second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth round. Which team will play with which team? Okay. Now what we have to do? Now we have to make the table. Okay. So let's make it. Oh no. Yeah, it will be mod 6. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to make the table. Here we have 6 teams. So we are going to make the table of the size 7 by 7. Okay. Okay. I am taking the table size as the bigger one so that it will be visible. Okay. Here I am going to write the team 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And now here I am writing the round. Okay. First round, second round, third round, fourth round, fifth round, and sixth round. So for the first round, that means k is equals to 1, we will fill this chart. So here is our k is equals to 1. Look, for k is equals to 1, that is first round, we have already prepared it. Sixth team will play with first team, is the first one. So sixth one, we can write first team will play with which team? Sixth team. And if first team is playing with sixth team will also play with first team, right? देखो first team sixth team এর সাথে খেলছে তো sixth team first team. Okay, now the second one, it was 2 plus 5 মানে second team fifth team. Go and fill the table. Second team is playing with fifth team, so fifth team will play with second team. And now third and fourth. Third team is playing with fourth team, so fourth team will play with third team. First round completed. Okay. Similarly, we have to fill all the rounds. For second round, first team, bye. First team, for the second round, first team cannot play with first team, so I will give a bye. Okay. That means হবে না. Second and sixth. So second team is playing with sixth. Second team is playing with sixth team, and sixth team will play with second team. Now 4 and 4 bye. Third is playing with fifth team. So third is playing with fifth team. Oh no. This one is third. Third is playing with fifth team. Fifth is playing with third team. And 4 is a bye. Okay. by. For the third round, first team is playing with second team. So first team is playing with second team. So second team will play with first team. Okay. Third 6. Third is playing with 6 and sixth will play with third. Now 4 and 5. So fourth team is playing with 5 team, fifth team, and fifth team is playing with 4 team. This way we will complete the schedule. Okay. For fourth round, 3 plus 1, that means third one is playing with first one. So third team is playing with first team, so first team will play with third team, right? Okay, this is the fourth round. Now second team cannot play with second team, so it will be a bye. And fifth team cannot play with fifth team, so second and 5 is bye. Second is a bye and fifth is a bye. And sixth team will play with fourth team. Sixth team will play with fourth team. So fourth team will play with sixth team. Okay. Fifth round. First team is playing with fourth team. First team is playing with fourth team. So fourth team will play with first team. Okay. Second, third. Second team is playing with third team. So third will with second. And now sixth is playing with fifth team. And sixth will play with fifth. Understood? Now we have the last round. Third team cannot play with third team and sixth team cannot play with sixth team. So 3 and 6 is bye over here. So we are going to write bye in 3, bye in 6. Okay. Now for the rest of this, fifth is playing with first team. Fifth is playing with first team. So first will play with fifth. Now second and fourth. Second team is playing with fourth team. Fourth team will play with second team. So this is the schedule for 6 teams in round robin tournament. Okay. Tournament. So this chart is very important because this chart will tell you which team will play with which team in which round. Okay. I hope you understand. সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছো? দেখে নাও. It's a very interesting problem. Okay. And তোমরা যদি মন দিয়ে করো নিশ্চয়ই করতে পারবে, খুবই সোজা. Just you have to think according to that. Okay. ভালো করে বুঝলেই করতে পারবে. দেখো. And this is the table. Okay. 14b. Express the Boolean expression x plus y plus z into xy plus x dash z in DNF in the variables xyz. So first of all, I'm going to write it x plus y plus z into xy plus x dash z. Simple multiplication we will apply. Okay. Acha, Boolean expression, Boolean algebra te we know ki x into x hoy. and x plus x is also x. Okay, and x into x dash 0, and x plus x dash is equals to 1. That you must know. এই ফর্মুলাগুলো কিন্তু এখানে লাগবে। ওকে, so let's multiply x into xy, so it will be xy. Okay, double x মানে x square হবে না। Okay, now x into y into xy, again it will be xy plus xyz. Okay, plus x dash z into x, that means x into x dash z plus y into x dash z plus z into x dash z. Okay, so xy plus xy is not 2xy, it is xy, x plus xx. Okay, plus xyz. Now x into x dash is 0, so it will be 0 into z 0. It will be, we can write x dash yz plus x dash z into z, that is z. Okay, so we got these two in xyz, right, in variable xyz. So we are writing it here, xyz plus x dash yz plus xy plus x dash z. Okay, we will do nothing to this because these are in DNF form. We have to make it in 3 variables. So xyz plus x dash yz, not y dash. Yeah, x dash yz plus, this is xy, so we can multiply it with z is not here, I am writing it z plus z dash. We can do it because z plus z dash is 1. Okay, plus x dash z, here y is not present, so I am writing y plus y dash. Okay, now just simplifying xyz plus x dash yz. Oh, it's not come. Double. Okay, this is x. Yes, xyz plus x dash yz, keeping it as it is, and now we are going to do this xyz plus xy z dash plus x dash y z plus x dash y dash z. Okay, now xyz plus xyz, taking another color pen. Okay, please come. Yeah, taking the green one. Okay, so this is xyz, this is xyz. So xyz plus xyz is not 2xyz, it is xyz in Boolean algebra. Okay, plus x dash yz, x dash yz. Again, we will write x dash yz. Okay, plus x y z dash plus x dash y dash z. Okay, which is in DNF many disjunctive forms. That is, this form is called sum of product. Okay, these are the sum of the product of three variables. This is our answer. Okay, very easy. Okay, (15a) state Wilson theorem. Okay, so what is Wilson theorem? Wilson's theorem. If P is prime, then P minus 1 factorial congruent minus 1 under mod P. Okay, and this implies P minus 1 factorial plus 1 congruent 0 under mod P. This is Wilson theorem. Okay, now we have to find phi of 260. Okay, so how we will find phi of 260? Okay, now so what we can do, we know here n is equals to 260 greater than 1 and 260 is equals to, we can do the calculation over here, 260 that is this and this is 5 into 30. So we can write it 2 square into 5 into 30. Okay, now what we can do? So there is a formula. If phi n is equals to P1 to the power K1 into P2 to the power K2 dot Pn to the power Kn, then phi n is equals to, or not, it is phi n. Okay, so 260 is equals to this, and there is a theorem. Oh no, it's gone. Okay. Okay. अरे यार क्या है ये, फिर से आ गया. These are really disturbing. Uff. Again it has gone. छोटे से प्रॉब्लम में इतना प्रॉब्लम करते हैं. Okay. 260 is equals to 2 square into 5 into 13. And we know there is a theorem. If n is equals to p1 to the power k1, p2 to the power k2 dot 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 pn to the power kn, then phi n is equals to n into 1 minus 1 by p1 into 1 minus 1 by p2 into dot 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 1 minus 1 by pn. So using this formula we can write phi of 260 is equals to phi of 2 square into 5 into 13. Okay, this is equals to 260 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1 minus 1 by 13. So this is equals to 260 into 1 minus half is half. Okay, 1 minus 1 by 5, that is 5 minus 1, that is 4 by 5 into 13 minus 1, that is 12 by 13. Okay, so 13 into 2, 26, 10, and this is 5 to the 10. So we got 96. This is our answer. Okay, 5 to 60 is equals to 96. (15b) Construct a logic circuit which should satisfy the truth table this. Okay, so a, b, c, e are given above. We can write the function e, a, b, c is equals to. Okay, যেখানে যেখানে আউটপুটে e is for output, যেখানে যেখানে 1 হয়েছে we will take only those rows. This 1 1 1 1. Okay, for a, b, c we are going to use for 1, and for 0 we are going to take a complement or b complement or c complement. Okay, in the first row 1 1 1, so it will be a, b, c plus. In the second row 1 1 0, so it will be a, b, c dash plus. For this row 1 0 0, that means a, b dash, c dash. Okay, plus. For this one 0 1 1, that means a dash, b, c plus. For this one row 0 0 1, it is a dash, B dash into C plus for the last row 0 0 0 it will be A dash B dash C dash. Okay, now we are going to simplify this and then we will make the logic circuit. Okay, so this will be ABC plus ABC dash. I am going to take common AB. So it will be C plus C dash. Okay, we just taking common. Okay, from this and this we have taken AB common. Now we are going to take A dash BC, AB dash C dash. Okay. A dash B dash C. Okay. This is B dash C dash. And there is also A dash B dash C dash. So we are going to take common from these two. B dash C dash. So it will be A plus A dash. Okay. Now the rest is this one. A dash BC plus A dash B dash C. From here we can take common A dash C. Okay. So it will be B plus B dash. This one and this one. Okay. Now we know C plus C dash is 1. So it will be AB into 1 plus B dash C dash. A plus A dash is also 1. A dash C. B plus B dash is 1. So we can write it as AB plus B dash C dash plus A dash C. Now there is no common in between them. Okay, we can, this is the simplest form. We can draw the logic circuit now. Okay, so what is a logic circuit? Here we can see AB, B dash, C dash, A dash, C. Okay, so these are the product A into B. So for the product term we will use AND gate. For the product term, which gate we will use? We will use AND gate. Okay, this is nothing but AND gate. Okay, and for, okay, I have not written this. A dash C it is. Okay. Okay, and these all the three terms are with plus sign, so we will going to use OR gate for these three, and OR gate. Okay. Okay, OR gate. Okay, so the logic circuit is what we are going to do. We are going to take ABC. I am taking it from here, a line. Okay, okay, a second line. from here, and here I'm going to take another line that is C. Okay, so okay, okay, so this is a line A, B, C. Okay, and we are also going to take the knot over here. This is a symbol of knot. I have already taken it, A knot, B knot, and a C knot. Okay, and now taking a line from here. Okay, copy, paste, and then paste. I'm going to paste it. Okay, okay. So these are the lines A, B, C, and these are A naught, B naught, C naught. Now we can draw easily. We have to take AB. So I am going to add these two lines. These are AB. Okay, adding these two lines. Okay, so this is okay. This is AB. Okay, now B dash, C dash. This is B dash and this is C dash. So I am going to take these two lines further like this. B dash is here and this is C dash. So this is a AND gate and this is B dash, C dash. Okay, now A dash C. What we have? A dash C. This is C and this is A dash. So I am going to take it a bit further. Okay. We can take this line as further as possible. like this. This is A dash, and this is the line C that we can take further. Okay, so I am going to connect these two lines. This is, and again this is A dash C. Okay, now these two lines. Why you are going there? Okay, this output should be go over here, and this output should also go over here. Okay, now these three outputs has a connect, I call it. Okay, so this is the final result E. Okay, A dash C plus AB plus B dash C dash. This is our logical circuit. Okay, I hope you understood.
If you find this video useful, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubt, then you can write in the comment section. I will definitely try to answer your queries. So, thank you.